Hey guys, it's Charlotte. It's Friday again, and you know what that means. It's time for another episode of Embedded View. Embedded View will give you quick tips that will make you more productive throughout your day. This week we're going to talk about the embedded view. Let's jump right into it. So let's say we want to embed some things like Tracup the way that you will do. Okay, let's start it.
Okay, firstly, if you come to our official website, you need to register an account if your team is using Tracup for the first time. Incidentally, there are a bunch of ways to register quickly. For example, you can quickly register and log in via your email address or register with your mobile phone. For me, I already have the Tracup account, or you can log in with your GitHub account. Okay, let's see. So I enter my account and type my password and login. After login, you can create a new project on the taskbar and enter the name of your project, for example, Tracup. Okay, then just click the next step. You can select the background of project according to your preference, distinguish your project based on specific background area, and just click the create. Above mentioned procedures can help your team members find and select projects as quickly as possible. After successfully created, just click the right corner, the bottom at the right corner plus task, and that you will come up here and you will click the slash button. You will come down and embed it, and then you will see that you have a lot of options here. Now you can embed anything. If you have the embedded URL link, or even better in embedded any other links, but we also have some options for you, like here YouTube or Figma link. And selecting external content Figma, then just enter the URL link of Figma and click the confirm. And here we have some tips. The links cannot be opened if you set any password. So that it is. You can click here an easy and quick operation, and then it works just like this. And at last, by the way, you can click the bottom at here, and you can switch to the original page of Figma. The React Figma these pages. So let's have the brief summary for today's. So let's say that if you want to go ahead and embed a link and just pass the link right there and click add view, we see here, and it adds the view inside of Tracup. And all of this will allow us to go ahead. Yes. So at last, I want to say for the long time, Tracup is the gift to developers because it improves the development process more efficiently. Meanwhile, Figma also gains a dominant position in UI design. And above mentioned, all of these are not, in my opinion, at least not accidental, but for a long time efforts. For research and development or design, we all cannot rely on only one tool to complete everything, but a combination of functions in two different fields can be powerful. So no more press, or you think this is cliches of advertisements. Anyway, for my personal experience, each team member is using Tracup for their work in our company. Sounds cool, right? Or if you want to have a quickly try, you can click the link in our article. So yeah, that's all I got you for this week, guys. Thank you so much for watching my video, and have a good rest of your day. See you next time. Bye.